fellow crafters and paper artisans, it's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I am here to share just a project share. I am working on a lot of cards for birthdays for my friends and her birthdays, and then the people that I have on my list for my birthdays. And she had a birthday request card for a college professor, likes to read, that kind of thing. And so I remember that I had one of Sassy's ECK emergency card kit saved in my drive, and this one is called Totally Booked. It is from April. It's volume number 104. It is free on her Patreon page, but then she has some paid items, but this was one that was free, and I always try to save those if I think it's a theme I might need. So there it comes with a lot of stuff. So I actually just printed the sketch, and I think this was page 9, which was the paper that you can print yourself. And I just printed on white cardstock, and I really like that paper, and it printed well. So this card was a regular A2 card, but my friend likes to gift A7 cards, so I just rescaled it and made it as a 5x7. I didn't match any. I just looked at it and said I can do this with what I've got. So here is my card. I debated whether I was going to stamp in this white space or if I was going to use die cut, and I decided to use die cut so I could use some more of my paper. It's her 50th birthday, and I popped that up, and I got a little bit of foam peeking out. I gotta get that. And so here is my card. And then I just used colors from the book to do the little stripes. And I did 1/4 of an inch. So I only did 4 stripes versus the 5 that Sassy did. And so there's my card. I did it on the craft paper color, craft paper cardstock, and use that throughout. And so there's my card. I just wanted to share with you some things I have been working on. I'm making so many cards, so I wanted to share that one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.